Learn and earn through Photoshop. In this series of videos, we are going to learn only that skill set of Adobe Photoshop, which is required to earn money, by offering services, on the internet freelance marketplace. So, you become a freelancer, and starting to earn money. To join us, you don't need to be an expert or advanced in graphic design, neither need any background of Adobe Photoshop, only you need to know is, how to install a Photoshop software, and then it is totally from scratch. If you till not subscribe to my channel, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon, so you my friend, never missed any updates. Without any further ado, let's start it. Hello, I am your mentor, Abid Bilkhair, and welcome to my channel, Teach Me. We are using Fiverr.com, to be our job finding marketplace, because it is only non-traditional freelance marketplace, having active buyers as of June 30th, 2020, grew to 2.8 million. Open a browser, type Fiverr.com in address bar, and hit enter. Here is our freelance marketplace, where freelancers offer their services, and earn money by completing different projects. Let's find services relates to Photoshop, which are offering in market, so we can learn, and offer similar services, using Adobe Photoshop. Type photo in search bar, and see it suggests one of the Photoshop services, that is photo background removal. Click on it. Look how big the market is, just one service, photo background removal, and it have 74,000 plus services are offered by different sellers. Let's find out what they offer. See, he offer background removal services with other services and earn money on this platform. Look, this seller having review and rating of 5. So why not we learn this, and offer services here to earn money. That's it for this video. In next few videos, we will learn how to remove background from images, with different tricks and techniques using Adobe Photoshop. Thank you and goodbye.